Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Daniel, and last year I fulfilled one of my biggest dreams in life, which is turning this Mercedes G-Wagon into an off-road camper. Since then, I have been on the road for over 45 days, living the craziest adventures. And the video you're about to see is from the early stages of this road trip. I'm figuring stuff out as I go, and I've just finished sleeping my very first night in the car. Here's what happened. Ooh, good morning. I would say successful first night. I woke up around 5. That was the hardest part, like starting to get out. I then drove to the gym, hour workout, shower. So it's now 7:54 and I am already parked at a different location. I'm gonna shoot some stuff and then go into a cafe to do some work. And there I'm also gonna plan the next destinations, because believe it or not, it's not even 100% set where I'm going tonight. Like, I have ideas of Schwarzwald, and that sounds like a perfect opportunity to check out the first nature-y part of this trip. Yeah, so I'm gonna plan a little bit of my route in the cafe. I'll see you later. Okay, leaving this beautiful place. Been in here for like 6 hours now. Working on part 2 of the reel that I posted yesterday. So reel is almost done. Waiting for some feedback on it, and then I'm gonna post tonight. Yeah, now I'm gonna decide where to go next. I got my new destination locked in. We're going 1 hour 14, avoiding highways because we like to drive slow, cruising, you know? And you get to see so much. Oh, Jesus Christ. You get to see so much more. Okay, on to the next one. Let's see if it's any good. Bit more power. Okay, for context, I was leaving Mannheim today, quickly stopping in Karlsruhe, another German city, and then I went straight here, but this is a proper camping spot, so that's what's new. Okay. No way, I am eating my own food. I like it. I'm literally creating memories with you. So good. Guys, I have the coziest setup. Are you ready? This is in my car right now, and oh my god, I'm comfortable. I would have never expected it to be this good. It's like a real bed. I guess I'll get some good night's sleep, and I talk to you all in the morning. Peace out. Good morning again. Had a shower, nice and hot, and got ready. I decided to pack up to drive for a bit. Gonna pack everything up and then we go out of here. Let's get it, baby. Oof. Okay, as you can see, it's actually quite bad weather right now. And because it's gonna be raining and really bad weather today and the days after, I spontaneously decided to change my route to go directly to Lyon, France. That's how spontaneous we are. So, we're going into France today, which is exciting. Yo, look at this. We just crossed into France. The very first country crossing. I'm really going crazy with this road trip thing. We changed the plan again. We're now going to Switzerland. Hell yeah, because that was like one of my dreams, to drive through the Alps. So fulfilling that right now. Okay, a little update. Weather is still bad. I am somewhere after the border in Switzerland, and I'm getting a vignette that I need to put on my windshield to drive here. Here we go. Things secured. They have this at every gas station after the border. We're on the road again. What is good? I just crossed the border to Switzerland and on my way to Bern. The weather is shit. It is really raining, but I still want to check out Bern and also drive a bit through Switzerland. And then after I continue to Lyon, France. But first, Switzerland, let's go. Guys, made it to Bern, Switzerland. And I guess my luck is on another level because, wow. First stop outside of Germany, Bern, Switzerland. It was such bad weather on the way here. I was thinking this day I won't see anything besides rain and clouds. Then I saw this. I'm now going for a quick run, check out the city and enjoying this beautiful weather. And you enjoy the view, okay? See you there. I'm so glad I started running. Going across the city center right now. Old Town, I think. Okay, it looks like I accidentally walked into the botanical garden, which the entry is free. So I paused my run and quickly check out this place. And then there's these houses that you can walk in. Oh, what? I think that's the humidity. Guys, I found such a hidden gem. What a little paradise. Maybe you can see there are climbers in the trees. He's going up right now. There's another one up there and another one all the way up there. I guess they're trimming them or something. So many small things are happening. And check out this perfect sunny spot. Oh, this is so nice. This is exactly what I wanted this trip to be. So, okay. I need to get going. Here's another look at this insane water color. You can literally see the ground. It is so clean. Not gonna lie, I would love to take a swim right now. You do this often?
Yeah, twice a week.
Sweet. I think that was the most spontaneous thing that could have ever happened.
Jawohl! Oh! Ja, mit einem Bein abspringen. Jawohl! Hey, Grande! Jawohl! Und der nächste. Jawohl, Buran, Grande!
Yeah. If all of this wasn't on camera, I wouldn't know how to describe this to anyone. How did literally everything random just happen in like 20 minutes? Okay, just finished the run, almost 6K, around 30 minutes. Quick ice bath in between. This is probably the most random thing that could have happened, but I'm loving it. So follow me if you want to see more random travel content like that. It is truly fascinating what a bit of sunlight and some exercise can do for you. I am feeling 100% right now. With that energy, I'm gonna explore Basel and hopefully find a spot to get a coffee. Okay, I think I found just the spot. Thank you.
Sticker.
Amazing.
Welcome.
Thanks so much. I just received a sticker from this nice lady that works here. Especially now with all the interior stuff in the car, I can't wait to like have it full of stickers from adventures and then just be like, hey, this is from that city on this trip. Yeah, very cool.
Wrapped up 2-3 hours of editing in this other cafe that I went to. Today's a special day. I don't know what's in the air. I was supposed to be car camping again tonight. Like just now, after the cafe, I would set up somewhere. I'll probably drive 1-2 hours towards Lyon and then just set up camp somewhere. And then I checked the map once more. And then I saw Gestad, the most expensive city in the world, is just 1 hour from here. Long story short, I asked my friend who lives there and also works for a hotel, are you there tonight? He's like, hell yeah. There's also an event tomorrow. Swing by. It's gonna be great. I'm like, yes, what is this timing? This is already insane. But then he was like, hey, but also if you wanna shoot a reel for our Instagram, I can get you a free night and breakfast. And I'm like, what is going on? So I now have free hotel and breakfast, all of that in the world's most expensive city. So the plans have changed yet again, but always for the better. Bern was like the most amazing trip today. I had bad weather when driving here and I had perfect weather when I arrived. Like, it cannot be better than this. And now I'm doing one more stop in the world's most expensive city. See you there, guys. I just checked in. Apparently, my friend booked me for 2 nights. Let's open this up together. Oh, whoa. This is huge. What the hell? What? You can see through? How cool is that? Let me come in here. Haha, backpack. But what? This corner is gonna be epic for some working. No freaking way. There's no way I can step out of here. Oh my god. Okay guys, I can get a glimpse of what this view is gonna be like. I guess we have to wait until the morning. Daniel is overwhelmed at this point. I've been doing 3-4 nights in the car, which it definitely felt doable, like I could do more. But then I always knew I was gonna do a hotel stay at one point to just recharge. But then now it just came out of nowhere. And it's gonna be 2 nights of just focusing on a bit of work, because I kind of needed that. I am so amazed. Okay, for me, it's time to do some resting. I am so excited for this view. I hope you are too. Get ready for something. I will see you in the morning. Good night.